Hi, I'm Gonzalo Cámara, one of the founders of Azul. Across Latin America, wastewater is treated as a financial and environmental liability. At Azul, we are turning that liability into a clean circular resource by combining nature-based bioengineering with a smart technology layer for real-time monitoring. The scale of the problem is massive. Official data shows that over 50% of unsewered properties in Latin America still rely on polluting, expensive septic tanks that leak into the soil and the groundwater. On the other end of the spectrum, traditional mechanical treatment plants consume large amounts of electricity. They require chemical additives and constantly break down without specialized operators. As environmental regulations tighten all over the world, industrial facilities, real estate developments, and agricultural producers, they are left backed into a corner with no clean, efficient, or scalable options. As an engineer, I ask myself a simple question. Why try to overpower nature with costly mechanical technology when we can engineer nature itself? That is what we do at Azul. We design, build, retrofit, and monitor hybrid nature-based solutions that replicate biological purification processes. We eliminate 100% of chemical additives, we drastically reduce energy consumption, and we convert wastewater into high-value reclaimed water, recovering over 90% for non-potable reuse with a compact footprint of just 1.5 square meters per person. We deliver an end-to-end smart water infrastructure platform. First, domestic wetlands, aesthetic, odor-free living wetlands designed for residential developments. Second, industrial wastewater treatment plants and retrofitting, custom engineered systems and retrofits that modernize inefficient plants in high-load sectors like the agro-industry and real estate. Third, smart water monitoring, our 24/7 IoT platform that tracks water quality in real time, guaranteeing continuous regulatory compliance. And fourth, pre-manufactured modular kits, standardized units built for rapid deployment and off-grid environments. Our business model drives immediate high-margin revenue through plant engineering, construction by official partners, and retrofitting. Following installation, we build long-term recurring revenue through monthly subscription for IoT water monitoring, data analytics, and preventive maintenance contracts. We complement this with direct product sales for modular kits and environmental consulting. What sets Azul apart isn't just bioengineering, it's the science and technology backing it up. We operate ultra-low OPEX, zero chemicals, and automated IoT monitoring that turns physical plants into actionable data assets. Crucially, our biological efficiency is academically audited and certified through our partnership with the University of the Republic, giving us a level of scientific validation that is unique in our region. We are addressing a 12 billion decentralized wastewater market across Latin America. Our immediate focus is a 450 million South Cone opportunity in agriculture, real estate, and ecotourism. We aim to capture 50 million in revenue over the coming years as regional governments mandate stricter water recovery standards. Our impact is already proven. We have deployed over 50 operational plants, purifying thousands of liters of water daily across residential, agricultural, and industrial sites. We've been selected for Village Capital LATAM, nominated for National MIPYME of the Year in Uruguay through ANDE, and recently achieved the second place out of 250 companies in the Young Leaders of the Americas Initiative 2026, recognized as the highest social and economic impact project. Azul is a native climate tech startup. We directly contribute to the UN Sustainable Development Goal number 6 for clean water and number 13 for climate action. By swapping energy-heavy equipment for passive biology and digital intelligence, we significantly lower carbon emissions, we protect surface and groundwater, and we build localized water security. We bring together deep engineering rigor and commercial execution. My co-founder, Marcelo Argencio Lopez, brings over 20 years of expertise in business strategy, commercial execution, and B2B expansion. My own background includes a master's degree from IHE Delft in the Netherlands, one of the world's leading water institutions, specializing in decentralized sanitation and biological filtration systems. Our growth roadmap is built on 3 pillars. Consolidation. expanding retrofitting and monitoring services across agricultural and industrial clients. Corporate validation, deploying corporate-scale pilots through regional innovation hubs. And regional expansion, scaling modular hardware and integrated IoT licensing into countries like Argentina, Chile, Paraguay, Mexico, and Costa Rica. To accelerate this journey, we are looking for a twofold partnership. First, corporate partnerships through innovation hub networks to validate our retrofitting and smart water monitoring solutions at scale. Second, we are raising $500K seed investment round. We will deploy 40% to expand our B2B sales force, 30% for IoT software and modular R&D, 20% to scale our engineering team, and 10% for working capital. We are building the smart, nature-based water grid for Latin America. Join us. Thank you very much.